Welcome back to Shijo Michael's Creations. In this video, we are going to discuss about the most important general questions that may be asked for class 10th public examinations. Now let us move to the first question. Who is the present President of India? It is Sri Ramnath Kovind, and here you can have a list of all the presidents of India. The first President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, followed by Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, then Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, Sail Singh, Ramaswamy Venkatram, Shankar Dayal Sharma, K.R. Narayanan, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Singh Patil. She was the only woman president of India till today. Then Pranab Mukherjee, and finally now Ramnath Kovind 2017 onwards. Here is the second question. Who is the present Vice President of India? Answer: Sri Venkaiah Naidu. Here you can have the list of all the Vice Presidents of India till today. And the first Vice President of India was Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Here you can see all the names and periods of all the Vice Presidents of India till to date. Let us move to the third question. Who is the present Prime Minister of India? Answer: Sri Narendra Modi. And here you can have a list of all the Prime Ministers of India till to date. The first Prime Minister of independent India was Jawaharlal Nehru. Now let us move to the fourth question. Who is the present Chief Justice of India? The answer is Honorable Mr. Nadulapati Venkataramana, that is N.V. Ramana, from 24th April 2021 onwards. Fifth question. Who is the present Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Sri Sushil Chandra, from 13th April 2021 onwards. Sixth question. Who is the present Reserve Bank Governor of India? That is Sri Shaktikanta Das, from December 12, 2018 onwards. Seventh question. Who is the present Union Home Minister of India? The answer is Sri Amit Shah, from May 30, 2019 onwards. Eighth question. Who is the present Lok Sabha Speaker? The answer is Sri Om Birla. Ninth question. Who is the present Rajya Sabha Speaker? The answer is Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu. 10th question. Who is the present Census Commissioner of India? The answer is Sri Vivek Joshi. The Planning Commission was replaced with Niti Aayog by the NDA government. The full form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India Aayog, and it was formed on 1st January 2015. 11th question. Who is the present Niti Aayog chairman? Usually it is the Prime Minister, and now it is Sri Narendra Modi. 12th question. Who is the present Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? The answer is Dr. Rajiv Kumar. 13th question. Who is the present CEO of Niti Aayog? The answer is Sri Amitabh Kant. 14th question. Who is the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? The answer is Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. 15th question. Who is the present Education Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Answer is Sri A. Suresh. 16th question. The present Governor of Andhra Pradesh? Answer is Sri Biswabhushan Harichandan. 17th question. Who is the present Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly Speaker? The answer is Sri Tammineni Seetharam. 18th question. Who is the present Union Education Minister of India? The answer is Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal. 19th question. Who is the present Union Finance Minister of India? The answer is Srimati Nirmala Seetharam. Now let us move to the 20th question. Who has become the first woman Chief Justice of Telangana High Court? The answer is Justice Hima Kohli. 21st question. Where did the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) inaugurated India's highest meteorological center recently? The answer is at Leh in Ladakh. 22nd question. Who took oath as the 46th President of the United States of America? The answer is Mr. Joe Biden. 23rd question. Who became the first woman fighter pilot to participate in the Republic Day flight past? The answer is Flight Lieutenant Bhavana Kant. 24th question. Last formed state in India? The answer is Telangana on 2nd June 2015. 25th question. Last formed union territory in India? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh on 31st October 2019. 26th question. Expand CAA and CAB. The answer is Citizenship Amendment Act, that is CAA, on 11th December 2019, and Citizenship Amendment Bill, that is the CAB full form, came on 10th January 2020. 27th question. When did the National Education Policy 2020, that is NEP 2020, was approved by the Indian government? The answer is the National Education Policy 2020, which was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29th July 2020. 28th question. Who was the chairman of the Committee for National Education Policy 2020? The answer is former ISRO Chief Sri K. Kasturirangan. 29th question. What is the change in academic structure in the National Education Policy 2020? The present academic structure is 10+2 and it is changed to the academic structure of 5+3+3+4 covering ages 3 to 18. 30th question. By which year NEP 2020 will be fully operational in India, and what is the proposed expenditure on education by NEP 2020? The education policy 2020 will be fully operational by 2040 and proposed expenditure is 6% of the GDP of India. Hope you have an idea about the most important general questions that may come for the SSC exam. Thank you for watching the video.